I picked up this tray at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to start by painting it in Wise Owl Primer in the gray. The white or the clear would work as well. It's just what I had open. And I'm using a Gen foam brush to apply this. I did do 2 coats, and I have this embroidery hoop. I took out the center, you know how it comes in 2 pieces. I took out the center part. I found this cross at the Dollar Tree, and I found these 2 other crosses at Hobby Lobby in the clearance section. Using some E6000 and a little bit of hot glue, I'm going to glue the hoop to the base of the cross. Then I'm going to take my tray and glue the cross and the hoop in the center of my tray, also using some hot glue and some E6000. I'm going to then glue my smaller crosses with the buffalo check on either side of the hoop and either side of the center cross. This I just used some hot glue. I'm using Bone in Wise Owl. It's in the white family, and I'm just going around the rim of the tray. I was going to leave my cross natural, but I started realizing that it would look better if it was in the white tone, so I went ahead and painted the embroidery hoop and the cross. I found this moss also at the Dollar Tree. It's the green moss, and I'm just going to glue that into the base of my tray. He Is Risen was found at Hobby Lobby. It came in a pack of, there were several in there, maybe 6 or 8. And I painted one in black. And then I'm going to glue it to the top of my embroidery hoop. And there you go. Now you have this nice centerpiece for Easter. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.